What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 21 Scat Pack wide body. Today we are going to be installing new graphics. So a good friend of mine, shout out to you, Kim, thank you, had custom made some decals for me to go over the stripes here, the powered by SRT on the coil packs and on the top of the Hellcat Airbox. So we found some 3M vinyl. It's called Gloss Fiery Orange. I will put the picture in right now. And it seems like it's going to match the cinnamon stick paint very, very well, as close as I was able to find. So we're just gonna go over real quick. We're just gonna pop off the coil covers, which are just on with those couple little tabs there. They pop right off, and we're gonna take it to our workbench, AKA the kitchen table, to make it easier. And we're gonna get those on the coil covers first, then we'll come out here, give this a good cleaning, and we'll put it on the airbox. All right, so we have both coil covers done and we're ready to put them on. So this is the Gloss Fiery Orange from 3M, and you can see here it matches the cinnamon stick pretty darn good for a vinyl. It's tough to make out on camera, but in person it looks damn near identical. So I think it's gonna look great under the hood, and I'm excited to see the finished product. Once we get these put back on, we're gonna give the top of this intake lid a cleaning. We're gonna get these decals on, and then we're all set. Damn, that looks good. Really draws you in and totally matches the cinnamon stick color. I mean, looks phenomenal. So let's get this cleaned off and get these installed. All right, guys, so there you have it. We are all done. We have all the stripes and the SRT decals on the air lid. We have the valve covers done, and as an added bonus, she had made me some Rumblebee Scat Pack symbols, so I put those on the strut tower caps, which I think add a nice little touch to it. So they wound up fitting perfectly, so I figured why not, I had two of them. So I hope you guys like this video. Please let me know what you think about the Sinamon stick vinyl. Hopefully you guys like it. Drop your comments, your likes, and thanks for watching.